Hey everyone, welcome back to Yakni. If you're a cat owner, you know how much our feline friends mean to us. And while cats can be lovable and affectionate, there are certain things that they absolutely hate. So, in this video, we're going to talk about 15 common mistakes cat owners makes that cats hate. 1. Loud noises. Cats have very sensitive hearing and are easily startled by loud or sudden noises. The noise can cause them to feel stressed, anxious, or even frightened, and this can result in them becoming aggressive or defensive. Avoid making loud noises around your cat by keeping the volume on your television or stereo low, and try not to slam doors or make sudden movements that might startle your pet. 2. Water. Most cats do not like getting wet. In fact, many cats hate water so much that they will go to great lengths to avoid it. This dislike of water may be due to the fact that their coats take a long time to dry, or because they don't like the sensation of wet fur. Whatever the reason, it's best to avoid giving your cat a bath or spraying them with water unless it is absolutely necessary. If your cat gets into something dirty or smelly, try using a dry shampoo specifically formulated for cats. 3. Closed doors. Cats are naturally curious and like to explore their environment. Being locked in a room can be stressful for them and make them feel trapped. They may scratch at the door or vocalize loudly in an effort to escape. To avoid this, try to keep doors open so that your cat can move around freely. If you must close a door, make sure there is a way for your cat to get out, such as leaving a small gap at the bottom of the door or providing a cat flap. 4. Strong smells. Cats have a highly developed sense of smell, and certain odors can be overwhelming for them. Perfumes, cleaning products, and even certain foods can be off-putting and may cause your cat to avoid certain areas of your home. To keep your cat comfortable, try to use natural cleaning products and avoid using scented candles or air fresheners. 5. Hugs and cuddles. While some cats enjoy being held and cuddled, others find it uncomfortable and may become agitated or even aggressive if they are forced to endure it. Before attempting to pick up or hold your cat, observe their body language to determine whether they are receptive to physical contact. Signs that your cat may not want to be held include flattened ears, a flicking tail, and vocalizations such as hissing or growling. 6. Being picked up. Many cats do not like being picked up or held. This may be because it makes them feel vulnerable or because they prefer to have all 4 feet on the ground. If you do need to pick up your cat, do so gently and support their entire body. Avoid holding them by their limbs or tail, as this can be painful and cause injury. 7. Being stared at. Direct eye contact can be interpreted as a sign of aggression or dominance in the animal kingdom. While cats are not social pack animals like dogs, they may still feel threatened or uncomfortable if they are stared at for long periods of time. Instead of staring at your cat, try blinking slowly or looking away to show that you are not a threat. 8. Strangers. Cats may be wary of strangers, especially if they are not used to having people in their home. If you are introducing your cat to a new person, do so gradually and allow your cat to approach the person on their own terms. Avoid forcing your cat to interact with strangers or allowing them to be handled by someone they are uncomfortable with. We hope you found this information helpful and that it helps you keep your feline friend happy and comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more pet-related content. 9. Harsh discipline. Punishing a cat harshly can be counterproductive and lead to fear or aggression. Instead of using physical punishment, try using positive reinforcement techniques to encourage good behavior. This can include offering treats or toys when your cat behaves appropriately or using a clicker to mark desirable behaviors. 10. Unfamiliar environments. Cats are creatures of habit and may become stressed or anxious in unfamiliar environments. This can be especially true if they are not used to traveling or if they are in a new home. To help your cat feel more comfortable in unfamiliar environments, provide them with familiar objects such as their favorite toys or blankets. Additionally, make sure they have a quiet space to retreat to if they feel overwhelmed. 11. Being touched on sensitive areas. While most cats enjoy being petted and stroked, some may be sensitive to being touched on certain areas of their body, such as their paws, tail, or belly. If your cat seems uncomfortable with being touched in a certain area, respect their boundaries and avoid touching them there. 12. Not having a clean litter box. Cats are very clean animals and may avoid using a litter box that is dirty or smells bad. To avoid this, clean your cat's litter box regularly and use unscented, clumping litter. Additionally, make sure you have enough litter boxes for the number of cats in your household. 13. Being left alone for long periods of time. Cats are social animals and may become lonely or bored if left alone for extended periods of time. To keep your cat happy and engaged, provide them with plenty of toys and interactive playtime when you are home. Additionally, consider getting a second cat to keep your cat company when you are away. 14. Loud music or TV. Loud noises like music or the TV can be overwhelming for cats and may make them anxious. To keep your cat comfortable, keep the volume on your devices low and avoid playing loud music or videos when your cat is nearby. 15. Changes in routine. Cats thrive on routine, and sudden changes to their daily routine can be stressful for them. If you need to make changes to your cat's routine, such as feeding times or litter box cleaning, do so gradually and with plenty of notice. Additionally, provide your cat with plenty of consistency and stability in other areas of their life, such as their sleeping and playtime schedules. As a longtime cat owner, I've learned firsthand that there are certain things that cats absolutely hate, and avoiding these things is crucial for their well-being and happiness. One of the biggest things that my cats have always hated is loud noises, especially sudden, unexpected noises. When I first brought my cats home, I made the mistake of using a vacuum cleaner while they were in the same room, and they immediately scattered and hid under the bed for hours. Ever since then, I've made a conscious effort to avoid loud noises around my cats, and I've noticed that they're much happier and more relaxed as a result. Another thing that my cats hate is being forced into situations that they're not comfortable with. For example, my cats absolutely despise being put into a carrier to go to the vet, and they always put up a fight when it's time to go. Over the years, I've learned that it's important to give them plenty of time to get used to the carrier and to make it a comfortable and familiar space for them. I also try to make the experience as stress-free as possible by speaking to them in a soothing voice and offering treats and affection before and after the trip. Overall, my experience has taught me that paying attention to the things that cats hate and avoiding them is crucial for their happiness and well-being. By making an effort to understand their needs and preferences, I've been able to build a stronger bond with my cats and create a peaceful and happy home for all of us. What is your cat's biggest pet peeve? We'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest informative content. If you are a pet owner and love your pet, watch our next video.